if you finding the Bombay, it is a industry, film industry, and the many people getting their employment out of that.
Yes, sir.
But the nepotism is the word we known about that. What do you think about?
Well, nepotism is not just in the Bollywood industry. You can say it comes in business also.
Correct.
Because, yeah, it comes in many industries, not just the film industry,
Correct.
business industry, so many other industries.
Right.
Well, nepotism in Bollywood has been going on since ages.
Right.
We can see that, well, there are many examples.
Yeah.
And in the current Bollywood,
Right.
most of the actors and actresses are either people who are either the ones who have parents who are actors,
Yes.
or who have influence,
Correct.
like or someone from their family might be an actor or a producer, director.
Yeah, exactly. So in the film industries, indirectly you can say that the film industries, the children only coming in the film industry.
Yes. See, there are many more talented people. I can proudly say that there are many more talented people other than the actors who are there now.
Exactly.
If we see the people whose parents are actors or who have influence, I have found many more people who act better than them.
Right, exactly.
Well, the talent, the actual talent, it gets overshadowed. It gets hidden by the people who follow nepotism.
Right. So then, what do you think about in Bollywood? One trend is going on, that is boycott.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So,
Well, I mean, there are some organizations who tried to boycott the movies, and even they're trying now, because they believe that there are certain comments in the movies that, or the portrayal of some characters in the movies that might go against their beliefs.
right.
Let's say Lal Singh Chadda, Amir Khan's latest movie. Well, it took him a lot of time to get the copyrights to make Lal Singh Chadda. It's an Indian version of Forrest Gump,
Right.
made by Tom Hanks. Well, the organizations, well, I would not name them, they tried to boycott the movie because of his past comments on a religion. And even the latest one, you might have seen Adipurush trailer, where well, everyone knows about Ramayana,
Yeah.
the characters, how they look, how they are. And when you see Adipurush, the characters have been portrayed in a totally different way.
Right.
If you look at Ravan, well, Saif Ali Khan is playing the role of Ravan. When you actually see Ravan, he is a man, fierce man with big mustache and Indian attire. Well, in the trailer, you can see Saif Ali Khan portrayed as a modern war general living in ice, and he is riding a dragon, and he has a beard which looks like a very modern one. Well, Ravan didn't have a beard like that. Well, people are asking to boycott it because it is the wrong portrayal
Correct.
of their of the people in the epic Ramayana.
Yes. Of their belief, how they
Yes,
are
yes.
believing from that bad.
Yeah. So the attire is different, and Hanuman looks totally different. The way we have seen in actual Ramayana serials
Right.
or cartoons, and how Hanuman is shown and how it is shown in Adipurush, it's totally different. And the VFX is, actually they tried to make a modern version of Ramayana, and they failed terribly at it. My friend could do better VFX than what they've done in Adipurush.
Jatin, India is the biggest democracy in the world.
Yes, sir.
So what do you think about the democracy?
Sir, when I think about democracy, for me simply it is the simplest way or the easiest way for the rich to exploit the poor people.
Okay.
That is all I can say about democracy.